Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to add shipping address on your Sephora account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar, type in sephora.com, press enter. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Sephora. Make sure you're logged into your account. So over here, you'll be able to see your name. What you have to do is simply hover over it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for account settings. Simply click on it. Now you'll be led to your account interface. At left you'll be able to find various options like account information, auto replenish, same day unlimited, etc. What you have to do is find the option for saved addresses and click on it. Now you'll be led to the saved addresses interface. Over here you'll be able to find the option for add shipping address. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be able to add the address. All you have to do is fill in these details that you can see right over here. So first of all, enter your first name. Now enter your last name. Now select the country, click on the field of country. You'll be able to find two options, United States and Canada. Click on the country of your choice. Now you can also enter the phone number for delivery questions. So simply enter the phone number over here. After doing that, you'll also have to enter the street address. So click on the field of street address. Now what you have to do is enter the street address over here. After doing that, make sure to enter the zip or postal code, city, state or region over here. Now after you've entered all the details, click on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your shipping address has been added. So like this, you'll be able to add the shipping address. So that is how you add shipping address on your Sephora account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.